G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I thought we'd just tidy up around the pool area here behind me because it's a bit overgrown because we've had lots of rain and everything just grows like crazy. So just do a bit of a tidy up and see how much better we can make it look. I'll start off removing these palm fronds. There's a few of these lying around. Jeez, it's like a big jungle back here. Now this pool gate, I can't even really see the lever here, and when you walk through, you're walking into these bushes. So we're going to have to do a bit of cutting back here. Just cut it back here, this one. At least now you can see the pool gate. And then these ones, I'll just cut back a bit, maybe back here. This one, I could either just go here or here, but no, you'll walk into that. You probably want to go back a bit further. And this one here, I'll take it back here, away from the path, so you don't walk past it and scratch your arm. Here, that one can keep growing upwards. Just take that branch. Now here, just take this branch off here. Where is it? Here somewhere. But I'll cut this up here. Then there's a little path here, so you need to cut this back. Take it right back. And I fell onto this bat plant, which has got an amazing flower on it. Ooh, take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Whew. Right, well, there's a few more down here I'll snip off. And this will help expose the garden underneath. Not that you probably want it, it's full of dead leaves, but I like to do that too, so I might get rid of some more of these ones hanging down here. This one I'll cut right back there. Yeah, I can start cutting these ones off a bit more now. Yeah, I probably do need to get rid of this one. It'll split back up and grow back anyway, so it's not a big deal, but then of course, you know, there's things like this, and then behind it is that. Right, so that's looking pretty good like that, but I think I'd prefer maybe a bit more head height. Alright, well that's opened this area up, looking a bit fresher. There's this rock wall with this plant on it. It's just smothering a few things, so I want to try and get it away from this staghorn here. Some more around this staghorn here. And it's got these fish ferns here. I'll leave that one because that one looks kind of cute. They all look pretty good. If this comes off, I'll take it. Good. this is a waterfall, so shouldn't have any plants growing on it really. There's a few too many fish ferns in there for my liking. I might just grab one out. Now there's lots of fish ferns growing. They can get a little bit out of control, but they're easy enough to control if you've got some muscle. The kookaburra's laughing at me. Oh. That's a different one, that's in a pot. But yeah, these ones are a bit... I'll get rid of that one. That's in a pot this way. So it's been there for years. It's doing alright. Right, I want to try and expose these rocks because they're beautiful. And I like to look at them. And behind here, these are covering up these bromeliads. These bromeliads have razor edges, which will cut your arm to pieces. So I've got to be very careful. Very careful. Oh, now I got this section. All these plants are in pots as well, because there wasn't enough soil down here. I didn't think they'd live, but they've done so well. Let's take it. Still hides the pot a little, but exposes the trunks and the bottom leaves a bit more. Got a nice Zanzibar in a pot. Get rid of some of these leaves. This bit of the garden's going alright. Hasn't been cleaned in a while. Unfortunately, when you've got palm trees this big, they like to grow lots of seeds and drop them in the pool, and there's a whole new fresh bunch right there. I'm not happy with this. Get rid of some more of these, because I want to expose the trunks of the palm, because I like the trunks. That's
That's looking a bit better. There's a whole crow's nest in there, you can't even see. Alright, well, it's getting a bit late in the afternoon and well, that was just a quick tidy up, but that looks much better over there, I think. I need to work on a bit more over there. There's some weeds growing still, and it probably looks like there's probably too much gone. It might have looked a bit better beforehand, but it'll grow back. Don't you worry about that. It'll get out of control again, I'll have to do it all again. And now I can actually walk through this pool fence without getting hit in the head. Nice. Bat plant's alright. Yeah, you stay there. And the rest, you can actually see the plants again. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Greg the Gardener.